So guys, we bring the JBL boombox, JBL Charge 6. So this is a JBL Charge 6 with high bass volume quality. So we today unboxing this JBL Charge. So this is JBL Charge. Yes, in India nearly about 39,000 price, but we take here. Okay, now we unboxing. Let's see. This is a simple box of the JBL. This is a simple box of the JBL Charge. Now so let's be unboxing first. Okay, first we open the box. See, here is some. First this one. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what is inside here. Here is one JBL folder is there, strip is there, which can carry the JBL anywhere by holding this. This is a strip. See the logo of the JBL. Okay. Inside that, let's see what. This is a warranty card. This is a warranty card. Okay. This is 1 year warranty. Then. And this is a manual, simple manual how to operate the box. And this is one feature is there. We can inside there is a power bank option. So from the JBL we can charge the mobile and charge the laptop also. This is a special feature for this sound. Okay. Let's see. Open. Let's do open. See, this is a inside how much. This is number of types of colors are there. I preferably choose the sky blue color. But then black is there and white is there. See, okay. Now let's see inside what. See the now we open the real speaker of the JBL Charge 6. This is a Charge 6. Wait, we open. This is a very tight packing. And this is one another thing. This is a dust proof, waterproof. IP67 is there, so it is used in water also. Dust proof is there, and it is a fall down from 3 meter also. It is not. See the how the look is there. See the total JBL. See the full overview. This is a Charge 6. See, this is very good. Okay, see there are simple is there. This is a 3 button. We can connect the Bluetooth. This is a power on off, and this is another feature is there, which is multiple JBL speaker can connect it from this one speaker only. So one number of speakers are there connected one song, just place this, all JBL speaker will be connected in one only. This is a special feature for this. Okay, and this is a strip now, so we can connect here directly strip. See, simple is there, like this we connect. Easy is there, easy step. Okay, like is there. This side also, so you can hold and carry anywhere. You can lock to the back and go to the any. Suppose you want to go any picnic anywhere, just hold and keep and you enjoy the music from this. So this is a very nice handle, strip, everything is there. Okay, so this is a JBL. Okay. Now we check one sound test of this JBL. First we on the Bluetooth from the mobile and just connect on, just first power on. Okay, when the power on, light will be indicate. Then we connect the Bluetooth. Automatically the sound coming of the Bluetooth check testing. Now we play one song. Let's see how it is working. like this is a waterproof. I will show you. I will put some water here. Okay, now I just play song.